The last two look to be the easiest to check. So let's let x equal, means change color. Let's let x be odd. That gives you 9 plus 6 plus 10. Well, that's odd. So this one will not work. Please note that 2 times anything, 2 times an even or an odd, is always an even. Let's look at this next, the last one. X is 3. 3 squared is 9 plus, this is going to work, plus 3 times 3 is 9 plus 8. An odd plus an odd is always an even, and then you add another even number. So that's even, that works. And let's let x equal 2 for an even number. That's 4 plus 3 times 4 is 12 plus 8. Well, you square an even, you're going to get an even. And then 3 times, I did that wrong, 3 times 2 is 6. So that's even, so that works. So it has to be this one.